Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you everything that I have been hoarding the past week, 2 weeks. I have been online shopping, which is, dangerous. Everything kind of came in all at one time, so I wanted to show you, and if you want to see that, just stick around. Alright, so the first thing that I got is this massive Bath and Body Works box. I got a lot of things. This is the last of my semi-annual hauling for sure. But actually, to this day, all the stuff that was in the semi-annual sale is still on sale. And I think they actually dropped some of the prices on most things. Not a lot of things. Not everything is for me. Some are for, future gifts later on in the year. But it's a heavy box. So the first thing that I got is the Aromatherapy Rose Vanilla. And this is a really cute bottle. It doesn't really say much on the back about the notes. It just says rose oil to inspire connection and self-confidence, vanilla absolute to calm the mind, encourage relaxation, and then to breathe deeply for best results. And I do like the rose gold foiling on the leaves and roses, and I hope it smells good. I don't want to open it yet because I don't want to spoil its shelf life. It's just going to stay closed until I want to use it. The next thing that I got is another aromatherapy lotion, and this is the Cedarwood Vanilla. You might have saw this in my last Bath and Body Works haul, but I needed to get another one because I really like this. My local 3 stores closest to me were all sold out of it, so I just purchased it online. And it's just a really nice vanilla scent. The next lotion that I got is this Night Blooming Jasmine, and it looks like this. The fragrance notes in here is jasmine, flower, white musk, and apple blossom. I mean, it sounds really good, and it's in their Ultra Shea Body Cream formula, and I really like this formula. It makes my skin just feel so smooth. Now to the Ocean Wave Bergamot Cedarwood lotion, and these are going to be gifts. All right, so this is going to be the last body cream. It's also another aromatherapy. It is the lavender vanilla. I really enjoy the aromatherapy line, so I just wanted to stock up. I think they were all about $3 and some change. Okay, it looks like I have 2 more, and they are packaged up. Okay, this is a little ugly, but I can't get this top part off without cutting it. I'm gonna do that later. And this is another Cedarwood Vanilla. And then I also picked up another one of the Bergamot Woods, the Ocean Waves, to pair with the lotions. All right, and so the next thing I got was a hand soap, and this is the Sunny Blue Skies. I believe this was from the Easter collection because it has like the little chicken peeps. The notes on this one is salty ocean breeze, lemon zest, and blue skies. And then the very last thing that I got was a sanitizer, and this is the Crisp Morning Air. All right, and so the next thing that I got was from a company called Public Goods, and it came in this huge box, bigger than my head, as you can see. I got this a few days ago. I haven't even opened it, as you can see. Hope everything is intact. Oh my, what is this? Something in here is like moist. I think something is leaking. Okay, so everything in the box looks like it's still intact, so I'll go through those. The first thing that I got was English breakfast black tea. I will try this probably tomorrow. It says it's bright and reviving with natural caffeine, and definitely I'm gonna need some caffeine. Okay, so this is the Public Goods black currant candle. There's 3.5 ounces on it. Very cute, very simple. The lid's on here tight, so I'm gonna have my dad open this when he gets back and we can smell it together. Next thing I got is these scrubber sponges, so I can use around the house, the kitchen, bathroom, you know what it is. All right, and so the next thing I got, I'm really excited for this one. It is a dog shampoo with oatmeal and aloe. Has a cute little dog in here. It smells all right. It doesn't blow my mind. It smells like baby soap, kind of. I'll have to try this on my dog, but I really want her to smell very fresh, so I hope this can do the trick. I will follow up with y'all maybe in about 2 weeks because we just had a bath day. And here I got a little dental floss. It looks like a little salt pepper shaker that you see at like diners and like the Waffle House. All right, and so the next thing that I got was this 4-pack of wool dryer balls, and it comes in this cute little sustainable baggie that says Public Goods on it. Whoa, these are huge. I've never had wool dryer balls before. I've wanted to try it, just to kind of pop it in with my bedding, because my bedding is the one thing that takes the longest to dry, and if I can help dry it quicker, I will. These are massive. Do you see that? Massive. Doesn't really have a scent, but I'm just gonna keep it in here. Probably put it in the laundry room. Like, how cute is this? The next thing I got was totally random, but I needed something to get to free shipping. So I got this 8-pack of ramen noodles with sesame paste. Last thing I got is a thing that like spilled in here. These are cleaning supplies. This one is, I think they're all gonna be drenched, but it is drenched. I'm not even gonna show you, I'm just gonna put it on the screen what it is, because this is leaking all over me. I also went to Target recently and I picked up just a few things. I only need just a few things. I got this for my bathroom. It is the Casa Luna Tranquility Reed Diffuser. So the reeds are separate and it comes like this. So I'll tie it together, and then the oil. I love that. It's gonna make my bathroom look very posh, very expensive, very luxe. We love to see her on a budget. And I got this stick of deodorant. I always get the Cucumber Dove deodorants because, I don't know, cucumber just makes me smell fresh, and I like that. The next thing that I got was this cute little card holder to put in my purse. Sometimes I want to carry like my little business cards, so it has slots for that. Next thing I got was from Simple Colors, a white nail polish. And then the last thing I got from Target was this water bottle. I'm already using it. One thing I don't like about it is that it doesn't maintain coldness. You can't expect much from a $3 water bottle, but it's alright and it's cute and it matches like my little snack pouches that I showed last time. So that is everything that I got from Target. Let's move on to Home Goods. So at Home Goods, I got these two decorative boxes. I really like these for gifting things to people. All right, so this one is really cute. It opens from a little flap right here, and then you can put what you need, and maybe some like paper or like some little stringy worms in here. I have this other one. I love this. I love this for myself, actually. It's like the world map. And like the other one, it opens up from the side. And then this one was $5.99. I really like these. They're very sturdy, very minimalist. You don't have to really package it. You can just give it like this since it's so decorative. That's everything that I got from Home Goods. The next place that I went to was Michael's. I had discounts. I had store points, which adds up to money. So I just picked up a few things because recently I purchased a Cricut. Bought the Cricut 2 Air. And so I got it at a really good price. I probably won't even mess with it until after my summer courses are done in August. But I wanted to pick up some supplies that I got was this vinyl from Oracle. This is a copper color. It's going to be really cute. Don't know what I'm going to do with it first. Don't know what to experiment with first. The next thing that I got was for my soap making. And I got these. I think this is like so cute. If you have like trichophobia, don't look at this, like skip maybe 10 seconds ahead, but it's like really cute. I love this. The next thing I got was just some white glycerin soap so I can just practice on the molds with. I got one more item and it's just a little tool. It is a hook so I can peel up the Cricut machine stuff. So from Sephora, I have these samples. I have a sample of the Drunk Elephant TLC facial and their facial oil. And then the next I got is a Charlotte Tilbury moisturizer. The next thing I got was from Innisfree. It's a daily UV sunscreen and it's a little sample that comes with purchase of like 25 or more. So I can't wait to use that on my face. Next thing I got was this mini Origins refreshing eye cream to brighten and depuff on the go. It's very tiny, tinier than I expected it to be. It looks like this, very tiny, and the tip is, it's really weird. The tip has a sponge tip applicator, which I was not expecting. I thought it was going to be kind of like the tubes that just kind of squirt out and you just spread it and then pat it on your eyes. But no, this is like so unsanitary. So I will probably be returning this. Next thing that I got was a Murad Environmental Shield Essential C Cleaner. I needed a new cleanser, so I picked up this one. But I think I'm also going to pick up my normal cleanser because I do enjoy it. But this one comes with a lot of product. It has about 6.75 ounces in it. The shelf life is 1 year. Alright, and so the last thing I got from Sephora was the Skylar aisle perfume. It was on sale for about $20 off, around $50. The scent notes on here are bergamot, cardamom, and sandalwood. This perfume is very beachy. I got a sample of it maybe about a year ago. I love the package for like the Skylar products. As you can see, it's just very simple. I love wearing this. It reminds me of something I can't really put my finger on. I've worn it about twice already. The longevity is pretty good. I get like a good 3-4 hours out of it. Alright, so that's everything that I got recently that I've been hauling. I'm a hoarder. I'm excited to try everything. And if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.